Hello guys, Qatar Life here. So now we're going to city center. First, we have to tap our card here to access inside the metro station. Look at that, very spotless. Here's my face lock. Look at that. And now we are here at the CC metro station, spotless. Wow, brilliant, very nice place. Look at that, spotless. Very beautiful inside the metro station here at Doha, Qatar. And here is Marriott Hotel. Wow, very nice tower. Very beautiful. It is around Daphna City Center here in metro station, DECC metro station. Wow guys, napakaganda ng Doha, Qatar. As you can see, all the towers, the skyline here at Doha. Look at that, this is the DECC. So beautiful guys, come and visit. This is the overpass